Welcome to the part 2 of polynomial questions. So we completed a couple of questions where we did a long division and found out the roots. So the last question which we end in the video, it was this question is kind of similar to that. So in this question he gave a polynomial, so we have to find the remaining zeros. I just wrote find remaining zeros you have to find. Remaining zeros you have to find, and 2 zeros are given. In the previous case also 2 zeros were given. What did we do? Using those 2 zeros we found the polynomial by which we are supposed to divide. Matlab, we got the dividend. We have to find the divisor. How do we find the divisor? Using these 2 zeros we'll find the divisor first. Once we have the divisor, we'll divide this polynomial. We have divisor, we have dividend, we'll do division here and we'll get a quotient. That quotient after factorizing will give us 2 more zeros. So in all we'll have 4 zeros. Now how many zeros we'll have? 4 zeros, because power is 4. Number of zeros depends on the degree of a polynomial. If the degree is 3, we'll have 3 zeros. If the degree is 4, we'll have 4 zeros. How do we find? I'm telling one more time. After that we'll start. 2 zeros are given. Using these 2 zeros we'll find the divisor. Once we have the divisor, we'll do division and find after doing division we'll find the quotient. After factorizing the quotient we'll get 2 more zeros. Chalo. Let us begin. Given 2 zeros. 2 zeros are, what are the 2 zeros? Root 2 and minus root 2. So these are the values of x. X is equal to root 2, x is equal to minus root 2. If I get plus root 2 here, it will become minus root 2. X minus root 2 is equal to 0. If I get minus here, it will become plus. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now I can write these two in the combination form. X minus root 2 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. This is looking in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. It is looking like a minus b into a plus b. Its formula is a square minus of b square. A square minus b square. What's the value of a? A is x, b is root 2. So here it is x square, a square minus b square, in the sense root 2 whole square. A square minus b square is equal to 0. Square and root gets cancelled. It will become x square minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we have the divisor. We got the dividend in the question. Divisor we found out using 2 zeros. We'll divide, we'll find the quotient q of x. We'll factorize that. We'll get 2 more zeros. चलिए अभी हम करेंगे division. What is a divisor? 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Correct? So this is the divisor. This is the divisor and we have to divide this with this is a dividend, my bad. This is a dividend. Divisor we just found out, it is x square minus 2. Divisor is x square minus of 2. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. How do we do the division? First term from here. First term from here, 2x power 4. 2x power 4 divided by x square. 2x power 4 divided by x square. 2 is already there. X power 4 mane 4 x's are there. X square in essence 2 x's are there. If we do cancel, we'll have 2 more x square. So it is 2x square. What else after this? Multiply the divisor with 2x square. So it is x square minus 2 into 2x square. Right. 2 2's 4. 2x square into 2 actually, so 4x square. 4x square plus of minus excuse me, alhamdulillah. 2 2's 4. 4 into x square, 4x square. 2x square into x square. 2x square into x square is 2x power 4. 2x power 4, yes. So I have to write 2x power 4 below 2x power 4 as it is, and minus 4x square. Minus 4x square I already told in the previous sum also. Do not make this mistake and write that minus 2x square here, because this is x cube wala term. Below x cube you should write x cube only. Below x square you have to write x square. Like terms you have to identify. So that's why I am writing 4x square here. Line. Now plus 2x square both will not be cancelled. This plus I should make it minus. This minus will become plus. Plus 2x power 4 minus 2x power 4 cancel. Minus 3x cube as it is. Minus 3x cube as it is. Minus 3x square plus 4x square. Minus 3x square plus 4x square. If you are able to give the answer in one go, well and good. Those who do not understand how to solve this, what did I say? My suggestion, remove x square for a while. Think that there are no x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? it is minus 3. What is the coefficient of x square here? It is not minus 4. Minus was there, we changed the sign. It is plus 4 now. Minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is nothing but plus 1. 1x square. 1x square is nothing but x square. Only 1x square is x square. That's why. Plus 6x minus 2. Same story again. First term. What's the first term? Minus 3x cube divided by x square. Minus 3x cube divided by x square. If we cancel, it will become minus 3x. Write it here. Minus 3x. Multiply this with. I already explained you this in the previous video. If you do not watch that video and directly coming to this video, you won't understand that. First go and watch that video wherein I explained all these steps clearly. Then you will understand it in a better way. So minus 3x square into minus 3x. Minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6, 6x and plus minus 3x, forgot about sign for a while, 3x into x square, it is 3x cube, minus into plus, minus 3x cube, minus 3x cube here, plus 6x, again here you write plus 6x, like terms. Minus 3x cube will not be cancelled. This minus we have to change that and make it a plus. Plus 6x will not cancel. If this is plus, this will become minus. These two are also cancelled. I mean x cube ka term and x ka term, both the terms are cancelled. We have x square minus 2. Again same story. First term here. At this point most of you guys have already got it. Those who got, well and good. Those who not, look at here. X square first term. X square divided by x square. Answer is 1 plus 1. We have to multiply x minus 2 with 1. Sorry, x square minus 2 with 1 into 1. 1 into anything is same only. So it is x square minus 2. X square minus 2. This will become minus, this will become plus, and both the terms will be cancelled. 0. Second part of the sum is over. What did we do? Dividend was given. Divisor was not provided. We found out the divisor. After finding the division, we completed the division. After finding the divisor, we completed the division. We found the quotient. Factorize the quotient and get 2 more zeros. Q of x is equal to, what is Q of x? 2x square minus 3x plus 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 1. I already told you how to solve a quadratic equation. If you, again I am telling you, if you did not watch that video, go and check it once, then you come here. ax square plus bx plus c. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. If a quadratic equation is there, how do we solve that? Square ka coefficient and constant term we have to multiply. Square coefficient is 2, constant term is 1, 2, 1 is 2. Find the factors of 2 such that add or subtract those two factors to get the middle term. Clear? Coefficient of x square and the constant term you have to multiply. Whatsoever number you get, you write it there. And find the factors of that number and add or subtract those two factors such that you should get the middle term. So 2 will go in one table, 1, 2 is 2, you have to get minus 3. So minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2 is minus 3. So that's why I am splitting the middle term. It is 2x square minus 1x minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 3 is written as like this. Minus 1, minus 2 is minus 3. So from the first and second term, we'll get x as common. If I take x as common, I'll have 2x here. X is gone, 2x minus x is gone, 1. 2x minus 1 here. Here if you get confused, what is there sir, what to take common? I'm telling you a hint here. What you have to do is write the second bracket as it is. Write the bracket as it is. 2x minus 1 you write is equal to 0. Now you have to think this 2x should be converted to minus 2x. By what number am I supposed to multiply? You got it? This 2x should become like minus 2x. By what number am I supposed to multiply? Those who got, well and good, give it a guess. Minus 1. Because minus 1 into 2x, minus 2x. Minus into minus, plus 1, like that. So from this I can take the bracket common. 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. 2x minus 1 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Give 0 separately. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Here x is equal to plus 1. So therefore all the zeros are, 4 zeros are, what are the 4 zeros? 2 zeros he has already given, which is root 2 comma minus root 2 comma, what else did we find? 1 by 2 comma 1. 1 by 2 comma 1. So these are all 4 zeros of a polynomial. He gave us the polynomial. He asked us to find the remaining 2. Example 11 according to textbook, very important question. A similar question I have already explained you. No. one more question from this exercise, then we'll move on to the exercise 3. Other important questions we'll solve. In this question number, let me check. 1 minute. Let me write the question. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by some polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder are q and r. Q of x and r of x are, what are those? X minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. We have to find g of x. Chalo. How do we do this? On dividing one polynomial by some g of x, we have to find the divisor in this case. First of all, before getting into this question, understand the basics of division that we did in our earlier classes. Suppose if I am dividing 13 by 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 6 are 12 and 1 we got. This is called as dividend. This is the divisor. This is quotient, this is remainder. Dividend 13 is equal to divisor into quotient 2 into 6 plus remainder 1. This you already know. Why am I telling you? You'll get to know. 2 6 are 12 plus 1, so it is equal to 13. So again, and one more example, if I take 19 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16 and I'll have 3. The divisor is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is 19 is equal to divisor is 4 into quotient is also 4 plus remainder is 3. 4 4s 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is nothing but 19. So this was the division criteria that we did in our earlier classes. But here we are dividing polynomials. So this is dividend. Dividend is p of x. Dividend is p of x. Divisor is g of x. Divisor d of x, g of x, quotient q of x, remainder r of x. The same way here also. So in polynomials we can write p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is the division criteria that we already solved, but here we are writing in the form of x because that's some function in terms of x. A polynomial in terms of x. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor is denoted by g of x. Quotient is denoted by q of x. R of remainder is denoted by r of x. So likewise in the question, if you keenly look into the question, he has given us 3 terms. 3 terms he has already given. One we have to find. What did he give? We have to identify that. On dividing he said, on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is being divided, which means this is the dividend that you have to identify. Given dividend is denoted by p of x. Dividend is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Dividend he has already given by g of x. G of x is divisor that we have to find, and q of x and r of x are, this is q of x, that is r of x. What is q of x? Let me write it here. Q of x is equal to x minus 2. Quotient is x minus 2. R of x, remainder r of x is nothing but minus 2x plus 4. So 4 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amongst these 4, 1, 3 and 4 is given. We have to find 2. How do we do that? Just write that formula. We know that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is what it is. You already know this formula. How do you know? I just gave you a few examples. So now let us substitute. P of x, what's the value of p of x? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to g of x. You don't know. You have to find the value of g of x only. Okay, g of x into q of x. What is q of x? X minus 2. X minus 2. These two are in multiplication. Write a bracket. Plus is there. Write plus r of x. What is r of x? Minus 2x plus 4. Minus 2x plus 4. Now, in order to find the value of g of x, if I get minus 2x to this side, it will become plus 2x. Minus 4 to this side, it will become, plus 4 to this side, it will become minus 4. So it is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Minus 2x comes here and it becomes plus 2x. Plus 4 comes here and it becomes minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. G of x into x minus 2. Remember, we have to find the value of g of x. This is our main motive here. Now, here, cube ka term only 1, square only 1. But x is here, x is here. X plus 2x, it will become 3x. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 2 minus 4. Plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. G of x into x minus 2. Now, in order to find the value of g of x, we have to send this x minus 2 to this side. Relation of g of x and x minus 2 is, it is in multiplication. If I send the multiplication term to this side, it will become division. So, it is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to g of x. So, which means in order to find the value of g of x, I have to divide this polynomial by x minus 2. I'll do the division over here, and whatsoever quotient we get, that itself is the answer. I mean, that itself is the divisor, g of x. So, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Divided by x minus 2. Right. I do not have space for rough work. I'll do it here. First term divided by first term. First term is x cube divided by first term x. X cube divided by x, you will have x square, right? X square here. This is x square. Now, multiply x minus 2 by with the x square. X minus 2 into x square. X square into 2. 2x square plus into minus. Minus. X square into x. X cube. So, it is x cube minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Plus x cube won't be cancelled. This becomes minus. This becomes plus. Plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Minus 3x square plus 2x square. Minus 3x square plus 2x square. Those already, by this time you must have already understood this, but still if you do not understand, remove x square for a while and write minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 x square. Minus 1 x square is nothing but minus x square. This is minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Same story here again. Minus x. First term is minus x square divided by first term here it is x. X square. It becomes minus x is remainder. Write minus x over here. Multiply the term by minus x. X minus 2 into minus x. X into 2, 2x. X into 2, 2x. Minus into minus plus. X into x, x square. Minus into plus, minus. So, it is minus x square plus 2x. Minus x square plus 2x. Minus x square won't be cancelled. It will become plus. This will become minus. These two are cancelled. Plus 3 minus 2. Plus 3x minus 2x, which means 3x minus 2x, 1x. Only x minus 2 is remain. Again the same story. First term divided by first term. X divided by x, which is 1. If I cancel, it will become 1 plus 1. Multiply x minus 2 by 1. X minus 2, I will do it here. X minus 2 into 1. 1 into anything, same only, x minus 2. So, it is x minus 2. Minus plus cancel 0. So, the value which you got here, that is nothing but the value of g of x. Therefore, g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1. I hope this is clear. By this, we have completed the important questions from exercise and examples related to polynomials. Exercise 4, yes. Exercise 3.4, correct. So, for more questions, there are other questions as well for 4 marks and 2 marks. In the exercise 3, it will ask and the questions from exercise 2, it will ask for graphs. Those questions I will make that in the next videos. For more such videos, please follow and share with your friends. Thank you so much.